South Australia has recorded its first coronavirus death. Emily Burley joins me now live from Royal Adelaide Hospital. Emily, the man died in intensive care overnight.
That's right. The 75-year-old and Adelaide resident had been in care here at Royal Adelaide Hospital after contracting the virus interstate. As you said, he did die in intensive care last night. That leaves 9 South Australians still in intensive care. 6 of them are critical. Their ages range from just 44 to 77 years old. Now, South Australia recorded just 2 new coronavirus cases for a second consecutive day. Health officials say this is a positive sign, but the weekend could account for those lower numbers. They say the latest figures being released this afternoon will provide a more accurate picture of the situation here in South Australia. Now, meantime, a series of emergency coronavirus legislation will go before South Australian Parliament today. Residential and commercial rent increases would be banned. If that legislation is passed, landlords wouldn't be able to evict tenants experiencing financial hardship. Now, elsewhere in the legislation, police would be able to use necessary force, reasonable force, on people who refuse to quarantine under orders from the Police Commissioner and the Chief Public Health Officer. That law would remain in place until this coronavirus emergency is cleared by the state government. Now, in South Australia so far, 9 fines and 13 formal cautions have been given to people and businesses flouting social distancing restrictions. More than 3,000 self-quarantine compliance checks have been carried out. As I said, that legislation is before Parliament today. South Australian Parliament will sit for 3 days this week, returning after being halted by this virus outbreak. Tom?